Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Kayla. So for today's video, I am back with another wig install from RPGSHOW Hair. I posted this wig on TikTok and you guys absolutely loved it. And yes, it is another completely glueless unit. When I tell you guys I have been so loving these glueless units lately, I am obsessed.
You're watching Kayla D, Caribbean Queen, Kayla D, Caribbean Queen, beauty, fashion, everything you need. You're watching Kayla D, Caribbean Queen, Kayla D, Caribbean Queen, beauty, fashion, everything you need.
Alright, let's get into it. So first off, I'm just showing you guys the package that your wig comes in. So it comes in this box right here. And I'm just taking out my wig. They also send you some conditioner, a little notepad with like details with your wigs, and then some stocking caps. And they always supply you with a magazine, which I think is really cute. So in that black envelope is like all the information on your wig. So this little flyer has like all the details that you need to know about your wig. So this is what the inside of your wig looks like. It does come with the combs on the inside. They do put an elastic band in the back. This is like an extra elastic band. Also, it does come with the original drawstrings on there, which is what I like to tighten for a tighter fit whenever I'm wearing my glueless wigs. Now I'm just trying on my wig, making sure that it fits my head properly. And this wig was literally the perfect fit for my head. It was as if they actually made this wig like just for me. Like, you guys, the wig fit my head perfectly. I absolutely love the color of this hair itself. I'm just going to read you guys the details on this wig really quickly. So the order number is CC632. Again, it's called Yolanda. The hair texture is a silky texture. The hair length that I got is a 16-inch. The hair color, so if you're ordering this wig, just click on same color as picture. So whatever you see in the picture is what you're getting. The cap size is a number 2, which is 22.5 circumference. The cap construction is a cap B lace front wig cap with the density of this hair is 200 density. And also the lace color that I got is a medium brown. And they did use their tinted transparent Swiss lace to create this wig. Like I mentioned, this is a glueless wig. The wig already comes with all the work done for you. It comes pre-customized. It comes with the knots bleached and tinted. It literally, there's no work. All you have to do is style your wig and lay it down. So I did leave my parting space exactly how the wig came straight out of the box, but it is a free part unit, which means you can part this hair on any side that you would like to. So you can flip around the parting space. You do not have to leave it in a side part. So a free part lace just basically means that you're able to do any parting space that you like. But the color on this wig itself is absolutely beautiful, you guys. And the wig was really easy to lay down. After I cut off the lace, all I had to do was like recurl the hair, and that was pretty much it. Also, right out the box, I'm honestly highly surprised that this wig did not have like a strong smell of bleach. Obviously, this hair was bleached to this color, but surprisingly, it did not have like a strong chemical smell. So I really like that. The only thing I would say with the color is I don't like the roots too much. So that brown piece that I'm seeing, like the dark brown areas, I don't know. I think it definitely could have went without it, or I don't know, you guys. It's just like I'm not feeling it too much. But the rest of the hair, I so love the color. I also love that blonde streak in the front there. But I really do not care too much for the roots itself. But other than that, the hair color, the actual color of the wig itself is so beautiful. It's like a really nice beige color. It's so gorgeous, you guys. I'm so in love with this wig. It has been my go-to wig right now for the past week or so. And yeah, I have not given it a rest. So here I'm just going in, cutting off that excess lace. And as you guys can see, as I'm cutting, my wig is literally, well, the lace is actually laying so flat onto my head. It's not moving or sliding back. And like I told you guys in my previous videos, all you have to do for your glueless wigs to really stay down onto your head is just tighten the actual drawstrings, the ones that already comes made into your wigs, like the ones at the very bottom, not the extra strap that they add, the drawstrings that actually come onto your wig itself. All you have to do is tighten those and your wig will not be sliding back at all, you guys. So yeah, just tighten those drawstrings in the back for a super snug fit, and you're good to go with a glueless unit. So this is how the wig is looking like after cutting off the lace. As you guys can see, I'm lifting it, putting it back in place, and my wig is just sitting onto my head, you guys. Like, the hair is absolutely beautiful. The wig is flawless. It's one of the best glueless wigs I've had so far. And also, because it is a full frontal, I did not expect it to actually like lay completely flat onto my head. I believe I did mention something about this in one of my previous videos, that when it comes to like lace closure, if you're wearing them glueless, they stay down. Like, they would actually stay down a lot easier than when it's a frontal. So with a frontal, with the ear tabs, I find like they always lift. But this one, I was highly surprised that the ear tabs was actually laying completely flat. There was no lifting unless I pulled back the hair. So that's the only how I would have some lifting, was if I actually like pulled back the lace. And yeah, but I was so surprised that my frontal actually stayed down completely glueless. And then after laying down my wig, all I did was take my flat iron and just went back over the curls. But yeah, this is pretty much the wig. So I have slept in the wig a good handful of times now, and there has been no like tangling or matting. I don't know, has this ever happened to you guys? So I've had blonde hair in the past where if I sleep on the hair, it actually mats up. It's so weird. And I don't sleep in bonnets. So yeah, this one did not mat up at all, which I was highly impressed about, because honestly, I wasn't sure what to expect. But the hair has been doing so well, you guys. For some blonde hair that has been bleached, then went through it all, the hair is amazing. The hair quality is super good. Definitely worth the price tag. Obviously, RPG Show is not the cheapest when it comes to wigs, but it's definitely worth whatever tag they have on there, just based on the fact that you're getting some good quality hair. And yeah, I absolutely love this wig. So far, it's been a week now that I've been wearing this wig on and off, and I'm very impressed with it, to be honest, you guys. Like, the hair does not shed, very little to no shedding, and of course it's blonde hair, so you guys know what I'm talking about. The shedding is very minimal. There's not much tangling. And one thing for certain is this hair definitely holds a curl. So after I curled up the first time, I did not have to go back in and curl it up for like the whole week. I was just wearing the hair on and off just as it was since the first day that I curled it. I did not go back in with no more heat. And yeah, honestly, this wig is definitely a 10 out of 10. Obsessed with it. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is all the time we have for today. I'll have all the details listed down below if you guys are interested in purchasing this wig. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, all of that. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this wig, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.